Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. In today's lesson, you will learn how to make sentences. You will start with simple sentences and then make them more interesting by using nouns, verbs, and other words. At the end of the lesson, you will complete exercises 1 to 6. The answer key for exercises 1 to 5 will be provided at the end of lesson 5, and the answer key for exercise 6 will be provided at the end of lesson 6. Let us begin. There are 4 steps to writing simple sentences. Step 1. Start with a capital letter. Every sentence begins with a capital letter. Step 2. Use a subject. This tells who or what the sentence is about. Step 3. Add a verb. The verb tells what the subject is doing. Step 4. End with punctuation. Sentences end with a period, question mark, or exclamation mark. Let's write a simple sentence. Use a subject. This tells who or what the sentence is about. Let's say that the sentence is about a dog. Therefore, dog is the subject. So, we begin the sentence with the dog. This is an incomplete sentence because we don't have a verb in it to tell the action of the dog. Therefore, we will add a verb to the incomplete sentence. The verb that we're using is runs. Let's read the complete sentence together. Ready? Let us begin. The dog runs. This is a perfect sentence because it begins with a capital letter and it ends with a period to let us know that the sentence is finished and is a complete thought. Let's expand the simple sentence, the dog runs, by adding an adjective that describes the dog's emotional state. The dog appears happy, so we're using the word happy. Let's read the sentence with the adjective happy in it. Ready? Let us begin. The happy dog runs. Let's expand the sentence, the happy dog runs, by adding an adjective that describes the dog's appearance. The dog's fur appears fluffy. Therefore, we've added the adjective fluffy to describe the dog's appearance. Let us read the sentence together. Ready? Let us begin. The happy, fluffy dog runs. Let's expand the sentence, the happy, fluffy dog runs, by adding an adjective that describes the size of the dog. The dog is big. Therefore, we've included the adjective big in the sentence. Let us read the sentence together. Ready? Let us begin. The happy, fluffy, big dog runs. Let's expand the sentence, the happy, fluffy, big dog runs, by adding an adjective that describes the dog's color. Well, the dog is brown, so we've added the color brown to our sentence to describe the color of the dog. Let us read the sentence together. Ready? Let us begin. The happy, fluffy, big brown dog runs. Let's expand the sentence, the happy, fluffy, big brown dog runs, by adding an adjective that describes the dog's personality. The dog appears to be playful. So we've added the adjective playful to describe the dog's personality. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Let us begin. The happy, fluffy, big, brown, playful dog runs. Let's expand the sentence. The happy, fluffy, big, brown, playful dog runs by adding another adjective that describes the dog's personality. We've added the adjective energetic in the sentence as an additional adjective that refers to the dog's personality. Let us read the sentence together. The happy, fluffy, big, brown, playful, energetic dog runs. Let's expand the sentence. The happy, fluffy, big, brown, playful, energetic dog runs by adding another adjective that describes the dog's personality. We've added the adjective excited in the sentence to give additional information about the dog's personality. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Let us begin. The happy, fluffy, big, brown, playful, energetic, excited dog runs. How many adjectives can we add to a sentence? Let's count the amount of adjectives that we have added to the original sentence, the dog runs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've added 7 adjectives to the simple sentence, the dog runs. While all of the sentences are grammatically correct, the last 2 sentences, number 7 and number 8, sound repetitive and less clear due to the excessive adjectives used. The word playful already implies that the dog is energetic and excited. So using energetic and excited is unnecessary. The word playful describes the dog's personality. The word energetic describes the dog's personality. And the word excited describes the dog's personality. In writing, it's best to avoid overloading a sentence with too many adjectives, as it can confuse the reader. Focus on the most important qualities that describe the subject. And in this case, playful describes the dog entirely. It lets you know that the dog is energetic and excited. So we can take away these additional adjectives and just stick with the sentence number 6 that gives us a lot of information about the dog. In English, adjectives are typically grouped into a certain order. Here's the general order of grouping adjectives. Number 1, you can talk about the quantity or number. Number 2, you can talk about the opinion or quality. Number 3, you can talk about the size. Number 4, the age. Number 5, the shape. When you're talking about the shape, it's not so much important as talking about the quality of the subject. You can talk about the color. You can talk about the proper adjectives. A proper adjective, we didn't learn about a proper adjective. We learned about proper nouns. So the word American and French are proper nouns, but when you put them in front of the subject, say dog, and you're talking about the kind of dog, and you say, oh, that's a French poodle, well, that proper noun is now acting as an adjective because it's describing the type of dog that you're talking about. Number 8, we can talk about the personality of the subject. Number 9, we can talk about the material that the subject is made of. And finally, number 10, we can talk about the purpose or qualifier. So, for example, when we're talking about the purpose of a thing and we're using the word running, we can say those are running shoes. So running is acting as an adjective to describe the purpose of those shoes. We can use the word cooking to describe a pot. So that is a cooking pot. Therefore, the word cooking is being used to describe the pot, therefore, it is acting as an adjective in that sense. So, what we have done was we enhanced sentences with adjectives. And by doing that, we were able to bring the dog to life on the paper. Our original sentence is the dog runs. We've added information about the dog by telling the reader about the mood, the appearance, the size, the color, and the nature of the dog. We've done all those things and told the person everything about the dog, except we didn't tell anybody the dog's name. So let's give the dog a name. The name that has been chosen is Max. The name Max is the special name for the dog, therefore, it's a proper noun. Let's read the sentence together. The happy, fluffy, big, brown, playful dog Max runs. Great job. Now, let us do exercises 1 through 6 to test our understanding about what we have learned. Exercise 1. Rewrite the sentence, this is a car. Expand the sentence by adding an adjective that describes the color of the car. Pause the video as needed to work at your own pace. Exercise 2. Rewrite the sentence, this is a red car. Expand the sentence by adding the adjective shiny to describe the car further. Pause the video as needed to work at your own pace. Exercise 3. Rewrite the sentence, this is a shiny red car, by adding the adjective sports to describe the car further. Please pause the video as needed and work at your own pace. Exercise 4. Rewrite the sentence, this is a shiny red sports car. Expand the sentence by adding the adjective sleek to describe the car further. Please pause the video as needed and work at your own pace. Exercise 5. Rewrite the sentence, this is a shiny, sleek, red sports car. Expand the sentence by adding the adjective fast to describe the car further. Please pause the video as needed and work at your own pace. Here is the answer key to exercises 1 to 5. Let's read the sentences together. Ready? Let us begin. This is a red car. This is a shiny red car. This is a shiny red sports car. This is a shiny, sleek red sports car. This is a shiny, sleek, fast red sports car. Great job. Let's conclude our lesson for today by completing exercise 6. Exercise 6. Write 5 sentences to describe a parrot. Start with a simple sentence and then enhance it by adding adjectives. Make sure to use the adjectives in the correct order following the list provided. Here's the answer key for exercise 6. The answers may vary. In looking at the picture, I wrote 5 sentences that describe what I see. Number 1, this is one parrot. Number 2, this is one lovely parrot. Number 3, this is one lovely small parrot. Number 4, This is one lovely, small, colorful parrot. Number 5, this is one lovely, small, colorful, curious parrot. Here I spoke about how many parrots I see. I gave my opinion about the parrot, that it was lovely. I spoke about the size, that is small. I spoke about the color and said it's colorful, meaning there's many colors that I see. I spoke about the personality of the parrot. The parrot appears curious. I followed the order of grouping adjectives. You may have written sentences and have described the parrot using other adjectives that are not listed here, but you followed the order of listing adjectives, so then you're correct. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 10. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few minutes every day to review the lesson to get a full understanding of how to write a simple sentence and how to expand sentences using adjectives and proper nouns. If you find it difficult to understand any part of the lesson, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you understand this lesson. When you can do the exercises within this lesson with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of learning this interactive lesson, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.